Yeah, so up and running. A big box. So auto parts, I'm sure,
Yeah.
based on the machine I say park up.
Yeah.
Yeah. So tell me what you think about the service.
Service is good.
Mm-hmm.
I've been shipping with a company for quite a while now, and I've been pleased with the service and also the on-time delivery.
Oh, sound like you're ready
I
to
must
deliver,
say,
man.
yeah, man.
You more go on with that thing?
Yeah, yeah. A
Why?
plus.
Yeah,
You know,
yeah, yeah.
A plus.
And I see the reason why I'm like come out here because of the view, brother.
Yeah, man. The
The
view.
view rich. You see the view? The view is rich. I love it.
Yeah, man.
You
Beautiful view of
can
the
see the
whole
rain a come
island.
from all the way out.
Yeah, man. You
Nice,
see everything.
nice.
All the ships them dock, waiting to
Yeah,
be called on to port and stuff.
nice. Look like a nice neighborhood
Beautiful
though.
view. Yeah. Safe, quiet, everything.
Yeah. Okay, saying I've no iguana come off of the hills because
No,
since we're in
not
the
yet.
hills.
Not yet.
Not yet.
Never claim that them going to release them somewhere.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I saw that on the news recently.
I
And they
haven't
haven't.
seen any as yet.
Alright, it's not something I'm sure you're looking forward to along with many people around here.
Yeah, yeah, and it's
The iguana thing is not
community
a.
developing as well.
Mm-hmm. Right. Pleasure doing business
Yeah,
with you.
man.
Looking
Same
forward
here.
to do a lot more.
A lot more.
Yeah, man, a
Trust
lot
me.
more. So there you have it. We're all the way up in the hills of Hellshire, or is it Hellshire? It all depends on who you are and where you are. Delivering a package. This is how we do it all day, every day on the delivery trail. Have a good one. I'm gonna enjoy the view. Yes. View bad.
Yeah,
View bad.
view.